visited the place and saw a large raft that was afloat at the Mestizo River. Asking where did the bamboo came from, and the people around innocently answered in Ilocos term of bamboo as kawayan. From then on, the term kawayan became the legendary name of this municipality. Due to its geographical location, fishing had been the main source of livelihood of the Kawayanos. Moreover, the town is also known for its loom weaving industry, which is the Inabel fabric, way back before the Spanish regime. And for this reason, the municipality of Kawayan takes pride of being the home of the Abel Iloco Festival. The festival highlights the Kawayanos' pure creativity, imagination, and keenness in the art of Inabel weaving. However, within a generation, the Inabel weaving tradition almost turns into oblivion because most of the town folks are engaged in fishing. But with passion and dedication of the new master weavers to preserve this Ilocano culture from generation to generation, they continued to teach the younger Kawayanos to embrace the Inabel weaving, since the fabric itself spells the Ilocanos' ingenuity and symbolizes prosperity. Ngarod gagayem kan kakabsa, ing tayo imatangan, ti pagpampanakyan ti ili a Kawayan. Kawayan, agyan, ti Abel Iloco Festival.
Kawayan.
Kawayan? Ah, Kawayan. Kawayan.
Home of the authentic Abel Ilocos. Sadya'y bye-bye, anyan aragsak. Sadya'y awan tiriga. Sadya'y makaling-lingay.
Among kadi ada dito'y imawawagan nga Abel Alupot. Dagito'y alupot ket mabigbig agameng tay dito'y Ilocos. Daytoy akan nawida na panagaramid ti lupot. Ket tinawid mi paylaeng kadagidin lula mi.
Lola, diyak pa'y nakakita ng kasama mo nga agabel iti lupot.
Ala, sumurot ka apok. Kay matangam no pasanuti pa ng Abel.
Tumatang kayo ako, ti Abel.
Ah, hermano, ¿cuánto cuesta?
Kung makagimay ka. Tsaka puso check. Hello boy, how much is that home?
I don't know. I don't know speak, but this cloth is very good.
Then I will buy them all. Is that okay?